Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about this synthetic wig. Yes, I said synthetic wig, and I'm going to be jumping right into it, so let's get started. So I'm just starting with my hair pulled all the way back down into like a bun or whatever it could do back there. And this is the wig. Is 24 inches long, and it has 3 clips, one to the back and 2 to the sides. We have the lace here. There's this white line thread thingy that I'm going to use as a guide to cut the lace off. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that as a guide and cut it off, and I'll be right back.
And though you dancing alright, could I be a teenager in love aviation? I know you're dancing like all night long. And though you grooving to that.
So we're back, and now we're just gonna make sure that all of the little white fibers to the front is out. This wig comes with the 2 straps to the back. I know we usually put it together like that, but these to the side is what we're actually gonna do to tighten it. So you're gonna just slide that through there. I'm gonna flip this on my head and start securing all the clips in exactly where I want them. So we're gonna hook that one into the back first, and then start working on the ones on the side. I like to pull mine like the furthest out possible, so when it like clicks in, you know, it slides up, it's actually where it's supposed to be. This wig does come with a middle peak, so if your hair is naturally like that, I think this will be perfect for you. So I'm working on the baby hairs. I'm gonna say so a lot in this video, and it's gonna annoy my own damn self. Anyways, I'm gonna start taking out the baby hairs first, because something about like getting the sides right for me is like most important when it comes to trying to make a wig look real. So I'm just gonna be taking out the baby hairs to the side first, because to me it's like prudential, and then I'm gonna start working on the rest. So now that I have how much out that I want, I'm gonna just cut it down with the scissors. The best thing to do this with, honestly, is if you have like one of those razor combs. It's so much easier, but I didn't have one, and yeah, so I was just trying to use whatever I had. So I'm gonna do it with the scissors to make it look more natural. But geez. I haven't combed or anything this year's yet, so it's kind of like a lot to work with, I realize. So I just want to like get some stuff in place so that, you know, I could brush it and stuff and it won't move and fall off my head. That's why I just sprayed a little. Got to be glued, sprayed, just to give it a little hold. So while I was brushing this, it's not that hard to brush, but because the hair is layered, then you know you have a little more extra tangles in it. If it was straight, then I think personally that it would be easier to comb and stuff like that. But it's so beautiful, and there's like minimum shedding, and this is a lot of hair. So some people might even want to shed like this hair themselves, take out some, but I don't have time, so I didn't do all of that. And by the way, I like the hair looking full anyway, so I wasn't about trying to take out more hair. It's gonna come out in time anyway. So I'm gonna continue to use this Gorilla Glue, the one with the orange lid, to get these baby hairs. So I'm just gonna try to do some baby hairs to the front. Not really, just like the illusion of it mostly. I'm not like the biggest like baby hair person, so I'm not gonna overdo it with like trying to do baby hairs when I know that baby hair and me is not friends. But still trying to finesse a little something so that the wig itself looks more real and flawless. So this wig, if I haven't told you guys before, is 180 density. It comes with the wig, it comes with wig caps, it comes with 2 wig caps in the package, and it comes with those little lashes that they give you from like the Chinese, and the wig instructions. This here is Vanessa Clean here on Amazon. I paid $37.39 for this hair, but they now have it on Amazon for $36.80, so a few cents. It's really beautiful, and it doesn't look like that black, shiny, fake hair that you usually see. And then once you put your concealer and your powder for your part, like you don't see the knots at all, and everything just looks flawless. So I actually recorded some visuals for you guys to see how the hair looks after it's all worn and it doesn't look all so new and stuff anymore. I'm trying not to say so again. And here they are. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to press the like button and hit that bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload. See you guys next time. Toodles!
Just want us to always be, to always be.